Hello guys, here is I have iPhone 12 Pro Max and this one problem is just not charging. You can see I plug in on charge, it doesn't charge, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the charging port. Remove these two back screw first. Now we're gonna lifting up the screen and we have to be careful. It's a little bit hard to replace it. I'm gonna use some alcohol on side. Then with these tools we're gonna lift it up slowly. Look like this phone is previously open, might be they changed the screen, so it's gonna be easy to remove this screen now, but whoever has an original screen is a little bit hard to remove this screen. We are almost removed the screen. Now we're gonna remove this battery connection and screen connection. Remove this 4Y screw, and here is the sensor connection. Remove this 4Y screw. We're gonna remove this plate first. Now I'm gonna remove this battery connection, and there is the screen connection, and there is the sensor connection. Remove. Now I'm gonna remove this SIM card tray. Now I'm gonna remove this minus screw, and there is two screw left. We have to remove it. This two is star. Remove this SIM card reader connection and antenna connection. Now I'm gonna remove this SIM card reader. Separate the SIM card reader. Now we're gonna remove this speaker. There is 4-star screw. We have to remove it. Make sure remember whatever parts you remove it, keep all screw with these parts so you don't forget. With this tweezer we're gonna lift it up slowly and separate it. Yes, we separate the speaker, and there is a steady screw. This is the minus screw. We're gonna remove this vibration now. Remove this plastic, and there is another minus screw. We have to remove it. Now we're gonna separate the vibration. This is the minus screw, and this is star screw, and this is the star screw. This is the star screw, and this is also star screw. We're gonna remove this strip plate. Under that there is microphone. This two is minus screw, and this two is the star screw, and this one is also star screw. This one also star screw. There is one minus screw. Now you're gonna separate the microphone. There is two microphone. Anyone has a microphone issue, they have to replace that charging port also. Now you're gonna remove this plastic. Now we're gonna remove this battery. First we're gonna use some alcohol under the battery and remove this glue tape on battery side with these plastic tools. We don't wanna use that tweezer, is gonna be damage the battery. So first we're gonna separate with the plastic, then with this tweezer we're gonna rolling. This come out easily. One side we remove the glue tape, and now we're gonna do in left side. Use some alcohol and just keep rolling. Yes, we separate this two side glue. Now this side we're gonna use alcohol, and from bottom side with this plastic tools we're gonna let it up slowly. It's come out easily. Top side glue is not that hard, so it's come out easily. Now we're gonna clean the previous glue, and with this plastic tools we're gonna just slide it down so it's straight the battery. You can see battery is now even. It's nicely removed. And now we're gonna clean this previous glue. There is one screw left. Disconnect this charging port connection and separate this charging port. If anyone has a microphone issue, there has to be also change the charging port. And there is new charging port. Now you're gonna install this new charging port. First we're gonna keep it on the frame side with this finger, and then put it back to screw, star screw. And here is 3 screw, we have to put it back. This 2 is star, this one is minus screw, and here is 2 screw, we have to put it back. First we're gonna put the plastic, then top of that there is a minus screw. There is total 3 minus screw, and there is a microphone. Remove this rubber first, and then top of that we're gonna put the steel plate, and there is one star screw. Now we're gonna put back vibration, and this is star screw, and this is the minus screw, and there is one screw with the frame, and top of that plastic, and then star screw. And this one also star screw, and this is the minus screw, and there is speaker, loudspeaker, and put it back for star screw. Now we're gonna connect the charging port. Now we're gonna put a back SIM card reader, and here is one minus screw. And then we're gonna organize the antenna, and there is 2 star screw, and here is one star screw. Now we're gonna install the battery. First we're gonna use double side glue tape. Install the battery. First we're gonna connect this connection, then press it down the battery, and then we're gonna remove this battery connection. Now we're gonna connect this screen connection and sensor connection. Then we're gonna connect the battery connection, and top of that step plate, and use 4 Y screw. We're gonna put it back. And there is another plate, and there is 4 Y screw, we have to put it back. Insert the SIM card. Now you're gonna install the screen. First on top side, then on left side press it down, and right side press it down, and then bottom side, and put it back to bottom screw. Now you're gonna plug in on charge. It's turning on. Yes, it's charging. You can see it's charging now, so we're gonna wait like a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, you see charge is going up now, 14%. So problem is fixed. Let me try again. Yeah, it's charging. It's 14%. So that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it. If you have any question, let me know, and thank you for watching.